What is going on, everybody? Just wanted to drop another video for you guys. I know it's been actually a little bit longer time than usual of me posting a video, and I don't know, guys, I just couldn't really think of a topic to talk about, and I thought I would just take the extra time to kind of decompress, chill, relax, and all that good stuff. So that's what I've been doing here the last several days or so. I think I came across something that I wanted to make a video about. It's nothing too big deal. It's not some big educational video or anything like that, but just wanted to, touch base with you guys and drop you guys a line. As usual, it all still stands. I get my hair from Lord Hair. This is a S22 model from Lord Hair that I get. Just use promo code PANTHERTRAIN, all capital letters. I'll leave that down in the comments and description below, and it'll get you $20 off any unit you buy from Lord Hair. So again, as usual, guys, I'm gonna throw that out there for you. So yeah, today I'm kind of rocking this kind of messy faux hawk type deal. I don't know, vintage Bradley Cooper or something like that. But yeah, that's what I'm rocking today. And as usual, I like to give you a view from all angles, sides and back, so you can just get a better overall idea of how it looks and how it blends. So yeah, there it is from the side. I am letting my sides and back grow a little bit more, so the blending's going to be better as it's starting to become a little evident now. The blending's starting to get a little bit better on the sides and back. So I am letting the sides and back grow. I haven't cut it since I made, the hair cutting video where I trimmed down the sides and back, a month ago or so, a month and a half ago. So I haven't cut it since then, the sides and back. I am letting them grow so it just blends better. So yeah, there it is. From the back, I think it's starting to blend a lot better since the sides and back have been growing out. But yeah, there it is from all angles, from all sides. Just kind of doing this kind of messy faux hawk type deal. Yeah, there it is, just to give you an idea. And there it is from the top, just give you an idea there. But yeah, I just want to give you an idea from all angles, because you know how I always like to do that. So what I want to talk about today. So today I want to tell you why I absolutely love poly. I'm pretty much at the point now, I'm convinced that poly is just better for lace, better than lace for me personally. So this is my hairline. Don't worry, I'll get up close to the camera here in just a minute, but I haven't touched up my hairline in about 2 weeks and 2 days. In fact, I haven't touched up my hairline at all. It just happens to be 2 weeks and 2 days since I installed this unit. I didn't touch up the hairline since I didn't touch hairline. I didn't pluck it. I didn't clean it. I didn't do anything to it whatsoever. And this is it. So this is why I love poly, is because look, this is after 2 weeks of absolutely no cleanup on the hairline whatsoever. I haven't touched it up one iota. I just haven't. And I shower with it every day. I drench my hair in the shower every day. I condition every night, and I put this anti-frizz serum in my hair once I get out of the shower while it's still wet, and I shampoo once a week. And I style it every day. I use like a Hans de Foucault claymation for my styling product. I style it every day, so I'm always pulling on it, tugging on it, putting it in place. And this is it, guys. And I'm even going to show you, I'm even going to raise this up so you can see really the hairline. Now, I mean, it's not 100% clean, but that for not touching it up or cleaning it for about 2 straight weeks, over 2 weeks, I think it looks pretty dang good. Now, one thing I love, two reasons. If this was, first of all, with the Swiss lace, there's no way you could go 2 weeks and have a clean hairline like this. My experience is the Swiss lace starts looking, or any kind of lacing is going to start looking a little bit dirty after about a week, guys, is when you really start seeing that's going to start looking rough. That's been my experience with the Swiss lace. But the poly, man, the poly just stays clean. Now, let me throw this kind of caveat out there of my lifestyle, because you may have a different experience as far as having a hairline look of it getting dirty, needing to clean it, and that sort of thing. Is I don't exercise, I don't sweat that much. Now, it has been really hot here. When I go out and I go downtown and walk around my neighborhood, or go to the store or whatever. I'm in South Carolina. It's June. We're in the mid 90-degree weather here. We've hit it. We've had this heat wave. So I do sweat like you normally would sweat, like you're walking around. So I do sweat probably several times a week, but I don't intensely work out. I don't work outdoors. I'm not hiking in the woods. I'm not intensely working out doing CrossFit or high interval training or HIIT, whatever they call it, or cardio. I'm not running or jogging. I play basketball every now and again because I just like to do some solo shoot arounds. But yeah, this is, so the reason I bring that up is because I don't want you to take away from this video like, whoa, if you can have such a clean hairline without ever having to touch it up after 2 weeks, then I can too. It depends on your lifestyle. If you're someone that works in construction outdoors all the time, and then after you will get off working your construction job, you go work out or you go hiking in the woods, and you sweat every day profusely, and you're always outside, and you're just, that type of guy, chances are you're not going to have these same results. I'm going to keep it 100% real with you. But me, now I'm working at home. I think it's going to be a permanent thing, but that's neither here nor there. but I work in over the phone sales. So a majority of my life I do spend indoors in room temperature. When I am outside, it's just kind of casual, walking around the block, walking around downtown. I do a lot of that, but I don't exercise. I mean, I probably should, but I just don't. I know I'll talk about that in other videos. So I don't want you to think if you're someone like outdoors and you play sports, or you can work at a construction site and you work out a lot, you're probably not going to have the same results. You will probably need to touch up the hairline once a week, because you probably notice it start getting dirty. But as for me, this is why I love poly, because it just holds, the hairline holds up so well in a poly unit. As you can see, I mean, is it slightly dirty? Yes. But is it so much so where the average everyday person that has no clue that hair systems even exist and I'm passing by in Walmart or Target is going to notice it? No, I don't think it's that bad. Now, a little confession time, guys. I never do my hairline. I never touch up and clean it because frankly, I don't need to. I'm surprised it's not even lifting. The only time I will do it is if I notice if it starts lifting, then I'll say, well, it's already lifted or this much, I might as well just clean it and just be done with it. That's only happened once or twice. But I really just don't ever touch up the hairline because I just never need to. I know a lot of you guys may cringe at that notion or get anxiety, like, what, you got to touch up the hairline once a week? And I get that notion, but because the way I see it is if I do maintenance once every 2 to 3 weeks anyway, I'm going to try to push this to 3. I'm thinking I'm going to go back and try to do maintenance every 3 weeks, by the way, just starting to get on the lazy side, that's all. But I think I can push this to 1 more week before I have to take it off and clean it and maintain it. My thinking is the hairline really doesn't start to really look bad until when I get so close to maintenance time anyway. I think it's just pointless. I might as well just wait till I do my maintenance in a couple of days or style it such where my hairline's not exposed as much. But I mean, so yeah, I just don't really touch on my hairline. I don't clean my hairline. That's just me personally. Again, you do you. No judgment if you're one of those nitpicky people that want to touch up your hairline, have the absolute perfect 100% cleanest hairline you can possibly have. Do it, because you got to do what makes you feel comfortable. But me personally, on a personal level, I just never touch up my hairline because I just never find the need to. I never run into it where it looks super dirty, where you can start seeing dirt cake up. I mean, again, I haven't touched it. I literally, I mean, hand to God on my kids, I haven't lifted up or cleaned the hairline. I did nothing to the hairline after 2 weeks, and look how well it's still holding up. It's not even lifting. I mean, maybe if I were to pull on it, it's lifting a little. I think one thing I like about this too is the way Lord Hair makes their hair units. This might be the same for all hair units, but it's kind of like the hair, the way they loop it at the front of the hairline, it's like the hair kind of goes over the hairline a little bit, so the hairline's not, you don't really see the hairline as much. You see the hairline's there, right there, but the hair is looped in a way where the hair is kind of like, okay, pretend my fingertips are the hairline, okay? The poly hairline, and this is the fingertips right here is a hair. The hair, instead of sitting 1-to-1 on the hairline, they loop it in a way where the hair kind of sits out from the hairline, and it does a really good job of hiding the hairline. So instead of the hair being like right there, 1-to-1 match, you have hairline right here, then hair right there, the hair is looped in a way where the hairline's kind of in the background, so it really does a great job of kind of flaring up and kind of hiding the hairline, hence why you really can't notice it's kind of dirty. But yeah, this is, again, guys, I'm kind of rocking this kind of faux hawk type deal. So, just kind of give you an angle from all angles. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is why I love a poly unit, because a hairline, man, you just can't beat a hairline on a poly unit. It's a 1-to-1 match because it's clear. You don't have to worry about the base, like the Swiss lace or any kind of lace material being slightly off color. Even though it's just a smidge, it's never going to match your skin tone 100% unless you're just that lucky. With a poly unit, it's a 1-to-1 match because it's see-through. Once that bond dries clear, all you're seeing through the hair is your actual scalp, because it's completely see-through skin model. So that's what I absolutely love about a poly unit. But yeah, guys, it's just, this is what I'm working with as far as my hairline. In case you're wondering, this is after 2 weeks and 2 days of not cleaning it or touching it up whatsoever. And I'll get really up close to it. And I haven't cleaned or touched it up in, over 2 weeks. And this is it. So yeah, just wanted to drop another video for you guys. Mostly just keep you guys in the loop. And until my next video, guys, take care.